this. Is that my voice? Is that my voice? Oh well.
Pag nariyan ka, bumabagal ang ikot ng mundo. Hindi kita dapat ginugusto, pero natutokso.
Gusto ko sanang humingi sa'yo ng sorry.
Sorry?
Nung tayo.
There was never an us.
Tangina mo! Tangina mo! Ikaw ba ang pinagbuhat ka? Ikaw ba ang iniwan? Ikaw ba na? I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason. I told you. What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you? 'Cause I told you.
Sa forever, huwag mo lang nung nakilala kita.
Hindi ka nag-aaral. Dasal. Ano ka nakuha? Kundo. Ang dami na kasi. I hope you cleaned your hair out of the drain. I hope you cleaned your hair out of the drain.